Hello aspirants, welcome to my blog IAS with Mahesh. So today we will be discuss one adjacent clinical article related to current affairs. It is useful for all exams. So Indo-US bilateral exercise like Vajra Prahar. So yesterday started this event. So this is a particularly India and USA participated this event up to again December 11th are going on a few days this event. So this is a very important event. So we will read this article. So 3 weeks long Vajra Prahar exercise being held at a joint training node in Moroi, Meghalaya. So this event conducting in the Meghalaya. So they will ask in the prelims of questions Vajra Prahar related to which countries India, USA, India, UK, India, Germany, India, UK, they will ask like these questions in the prelims as a bullet point, so you can make it this current affairs. They will ask related to in number of questions from this one. So that's the reason you can make it a small bullet points for this article. So Meghalaya, you can remember where they conducted this event. They will ask like these questions. Meghalaya, this state name also you have to remember. And exercise Vajra Prahar, India, USA, bilateral exercise. This is a naval ship based exercise. So yesterday started up to December 11th. They are conducting this event. So we will read this. So India and USA Special Forces on Tuesday started joint exercise Vajra Prahar at a joint training node in Umroi, Meghalaya. The USA contingent is responded by the personnel from the 1st Special Force Group SFG, and the Indian Armored Contingent is led by the Special Force personnel from the Eastern Command. Exercise Vajra Prahar is a joint exercise conducted between the Indian Army and USA Army Special Force. It aims at sharing best practices and exercises in areas such as joint mission planning and operational tactics. The current edition is being conducted in the Umroi cantonment from 21 November to 11th December during the course of the next 3 weeks. 3 weeks going on this event. Both sides will jointly plan and rehearse a series of special operations, counter terrorism operations, airborne operations in simulated conventional and unconventional scenarios in mountainous terrain. The key highlights of the exercise include the combat-free fall insertion of troops from the standoff distances, watch airborne interventions of the troops, previous engagement of chariots at long range, combat air controlling of fixed wing and rotary wing aircraft, beside airborne insertion and sustenance of troops. The first edition was conducted in the year 2010. So like these questions also they will ask when this exercise started. India US bilateral exercise when started, and recently held in which state in India, or India, and which country participated in the event. Like these questions asked in the prelims. So be careful for these kind of current affairs. Definitely it will ask this kind of questions. It will come more than 5 to 6 questions also it will come. You can write it any other exam also. Current related events, and nowadays so many questions it will come, so be careful for that. So 2010 started this event. India and the 13th editions of the Indo-US Joint Special Force exercise. So they will ask like this question also in this event. Are 13th edition or 10th edition or 11th edition, you can eliminate elimination process. We can observe these kind of statements. So 13th edition is there, this one, because 2010 started means now this is a 13th edition. 3 weeks going on this issue and conducting this exercises. Two countries they will ask, this is the third edition like this is the fourth edition, like this is the fifth edition, like they will ask me, so we can remove easily that statement. Elimination process also we have to learn this technique. At the time it is this kind of points, it's a very important. Be careful, aware of these current affairs related events. Definitely it will come this question. Otherwise they will ask directly question what are related to which countries. India, UK, India, Britain, India, Australia, India, Japan, India, China, like these kind of countries name they will go in the option. Means if you know, means you can easily eliminate that option. If you don't know, means how can you write it that here. So that's the reason, be careful for that. India US a giant special force exercise was conducted at the Special Forces Training School, Balakoch, Bola Balho, Bakloho. Exercise Vajra Prahara has evolved as a mechanism to exchange ideas and share best practices between the special forces of both the nations. If it is also platform to enhance interoperation. Which interoperability and strength defense cooperation between the armies of the India and the United States. So this is called today article. So the Indian Navy successfully undertakes the guidelines of fulfilled trials of the first indigenously developed. So this is also a very important statement, because this is the indigenously developed ship, or we America give this ship, or another country we borrow from this ship. We can ask the n number of questions from only one statement. So this also we can remember. So this is a completely first indigenously developed naval anti-ship missile from seeking 42B helicopter. So each and every point you have to remember. You don't know when it will come that statement, and how they will make it the statements, and how they will frame that questions or options. So we don't know directly options only. They will make questions, or questions related they will make options. So we don't know anything will happen, anything we can they will give. We have to prepare for that, we have to ready to face for that. So this is a bullet points, and we have to remember. India Navy successfully undertaken guideline fulfilled. This is the first indigenously developed naval anti-ship missile. So 42B helicopter. So you can remember those points. So this is the Vajra Prahar India USA bilateral exercise. So now going on this 3 weeks events conducted in the Meghalaya. So this is what today article. So another article we will be seen and tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So please subscribe and share and like it this video. It is useful for yourself, means you can share it to your friends or family members, or who are preparing for the IAS or IPS or any other related exams. So like state level exams also, it is useful for this current affairs. So today this is the article. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.